Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have s is not equal to number 1. So when s approach to number 1 on the right, so we just consider about this one only. So we put number 1 in here, here, and here. We calculate about this one and we got about 5 over 2. Similar for this one. So we just concentrate about this one and s approach to number 1 on the left, so you got about 5 over 2 because the limit on the right is equal to the limit on the left. So this one we can write the limit of s approach to number 1 should be about 5 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.